What is Shadowban and why do Etsy do that? Why do they Etsy do that? To be honest, I don't know exactly. I think it ranges from store to store. It's basically when you're just kind of not getting any views and clicks and stuff. Like, if your store's brand new, like that guy's store was 2 weeks old and you're saying, do I have a Shadowban? Very unlikely it's gonna be Shadowban for 2 weeks. But what I've seen before is like after you come back from like, say deactivations, or say you didn't pay a bill and it gets deactivated, or there's a bunch of different reasons why it could be, but like then you do that and you try come back, you can be like Shadowban for a little while. So normally doing things like pushing reviews, adding new products, spending more on ads, that kind of fixes it. Like it's, yeah, kind of fixes it basically. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.